Hey guys, this jump starter is really good. It's by ACMOUNT. It's small, portable, and definitely convenient. Definitely a must if you live up in the northeast of the US. So in this video, I'll show you how good it works, or how well it works, and how fast it can charge up your car and get you going. Alright, enjoy the video guys. Thank you for watching. Now the car just doesn't want to start. It's completely dead. No power whatsoever. Not even the radio is turning on. So battery's dead. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to jump start it using our AC mount. I might be having some issues with the battery because I did the same thing about 3 or 4 days ago, and when I got to the car it was also dead at that time. So we'll try to jump start it using this AC mount and see what happens. Yeah, so after connecting it, it definitely turned over. Hey guys, so we've had about 7 days of really cold temperatures here up here in Maine, and I haven't turned on my car during those 7 or 8 days, and a couple of days, or maybe it was 3 days, where we were actually below zero in temperature. So today I tried to I was gonna go somewhere, and this thing would not start. Let me show you what I mean. Absolutely nothing. That's it. That's what I'm getting out of it. So we'll shut it off, and so all we do is just connect this thing here. Kind of hard trying to do this with one hand. And then the red one over here. And so just connect the black and the red, and this should be ready. And just like that, we got power. So first attempt, no problem. So this little machine is a 3-in-1. It's actually a jumper, an inflator, and it also has it's a power bank, and it also has an emergency flashlight. So after I get done putting this thing away, I'll do a more detailed review of this machine. Again, this is only the second time I've tried using it to start a car, and like I said, right now the temperature right here where I am is in the teens, but as you can see, first attempt it actually started.